Hello everyone, this soundbar is Samsung HW-B750F 5.1 channel soundbar, 400 watts audio power output. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this with your TV using HDMI cable. So go to the back of the soundbar and connect the cable, one end of the cable to HDMI to TV ARC. And it's in. Take the other end of the cable, go to the back of your TV and connect it to HDMI in to ARC. The next thing to do is switch the sound bar on, then use the input to select TV ARC, showing us TV ARC. Switch your TV on. Go to the TV setting, use the gear button on your TV remote, select the TV settings, scroll down to sound out. So the sound out is showing us HDMI ARC. If it is not showing you HDMI ARC, then you need to select on the sound out, scroll to the side, left side or right side, and look for HDMI ARC device. Then you select on it. So this is now connected, and when it is in HDMI ARC, you can increase the volume using the TV remote. Likewise, increase the volume using the soundbar remote. Now I want us to go to YouTube. I received a question. Someone asked how to merge PDF documents. Maybe you have 3 or 4 letters. How can 3 of them to be? This is standard PDF. So we're going to go to File Explorer. So open Surround File Explorer. Then you go to wherever you have the document, maybe downloads or document file. This document, you will see Creative Tool. I want us to rename this document. You will see Creative Tool 1. Right click it to rename it Surround. This is the document here. Bars Bust. So right click it, then you select rename. So this is how to connect this to your TV via HDMI ARC. Thank you very much indeed.